Hey guys, so let's cover how to get more traffic on your website using TikTok ads. So let's jump right straight into this video.
Launch your TikTok app. Next, visit your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. So this is our profile. Next, we'll click on TikTok Studio. So click on the menu button at the top right corner. Then we'll find TikTok Studio. Next, we'll click on the promote button. Next, you click on the get sales category. Okay, so next you click on more website visits. Okay, so you could use contact us, any of this call to action. But firstly, let's input our website link. You could also input your WhatsApp link or your WhatsApp group link or your website, whichever one you want to. So let's say for us, we might want to input the Bright link, official website. Then we'll click on done. You could also input your WhatsApp link or your group chat, your WhatsApp group chat link or whatever you want to put there. Then you click on done. Then you click on save to save the website link. So for the call to action, we just go with contact us. Then we'll click on save. You could also see more. So you click on see more. If you want to explore, you could see donate now, download, request time, see menu, watch now, call now. So pretty much good. So click on contact us, then we'll click on save. Okay, so next we select the content. So we're gonna go for this one. Let's click on promote. Okay. Okay, so if this shows, so let's just go with the default audience. Yeah, sometimes yours might show this first, the custom promotion pack. Okay, so you could choose any of this, but if you still want to go for the customize, you click on customize. Okay, so you simply click on customize to customize everything, especially if you want to do targeting. Okay, so if you go for any of this, maybe we select the middle one, the most popular, then we agree to their terms and condition. You could also preview by clicking on the preview ad to see what's going to look like to visit website. So you could see this is what it's going to look like. So let's go back. Then you click on pay. Kindly visit the description section of this video. We also imputed other necessary guides and video reference to teach you how to run ads in other different objectives, and also some strategy on how to use the custom targeting or the custom option, and also do some basic targeting on the TikTok mobile app. So see you in the next video. So kindly pay, then you launch your ad campaign. Bye guys.